Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are leaving this old truck. We come up to follow this canyon ditch up through here, which was a pain to get here, but because the worst part is the sand. And now we're gonna get back out of here. I mean, we're in a good ditch.
Big old ditch.
Big old ditch. If you can find a place out of the sand, it sure is easier going, even in the rocks. It's easier than that sand. I mean, that old back tire is sinking down.
Yeah.
You just feel it drop when you start spinning. Ooh. What a mess. But anyway, I'm out here with my son Kevin. If you watch back the last couple videos, you can see how we got in this mess.
Squarely.
This stuff wears you out. It's just so soft and deep, you can't even hardly move. Not on these stock little bikes. You need a paddle tire. Golly. God, I'm all over the place back here.
I am too. Slipping and sliding. I feel like I'm in freaking ice.
No kidding. Crazy.
Woo. That was crazy.
Whoa.
I'm gonna go through the easy part.
I don't blame you. Pretty bad when these rough rocks is better.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking earlier. Sand either way.
Doesn't really matter, does it? Oh God.
God, this stuff is so hard to keep your balance.
Can't even hardly go. Oh, you have to. That is a workout.
Oh, there's where we come up, ain't it?
Huh?
That looks like where we come up right there. Or come down.
No. Oh, maybe it is, yeah. Probably so. Yeah. Golly.
Woo! Yeah.
I'm glad to be out of that.
I got my workout for the freaking day.
Gee whiz. That's a job.
Yeah, it is.
Well, you can't get up no speed, so you can't scoot back, you know, or stand up and get your front wheel light. There's just not enough. There's not enough room there to get speed, like you would in deep sand dunes or something. You can't gain. You can't go
so
fast.
Tight and cornery.
Yeah, it's too tight in there.
Now that would be the place to rip up a quad or a UTV. That's right.
Oh yeah. Until you get to that truck.
Yeah.
Monster truck, you can run over it. Golly.
Whew, that was something.
Praise the Lord for all that mess. Oh yeah, that thing has rutted out.
That's not even the one I was talking about.
Hey, I come down over here. Didn't you come down that one?
No, come here. I'll show you the one I come down.
I think that's it. Maybe not. Goodness gracious.
No, this is the one that you come down right here. The one I come down is up here. This is the one I come down.
Yeah.
It's just a 2-lane of rut. I'd rather go up the other one.
Whew. Got little stickers in my gloves and everything. I don't know.
Holy crap.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're all rutted out bad.
Holy
That one's
crap.
stupid. Ain't no way I go with that.
That looks like that border wall.
Which one did I come down?
The one over there. I pointed it to you. It's the one that we come off of that's right next to the one.
Okay, the one that I thought was said.
Yeah, it's the one that you said, that's rutted the hell up. That's the one that you come down.
That one's stupid. I mean, look at them ruts. There's 4 ruts down through there. Crazy. We'll go on this way.
All these hills have gotten bad.
Ooh, they have. It's crazy. You can go in front. Deep sand again.
I jumped right into this corner. Hold on, I gotta fix my mirror real quick. Let me smack it.
Somebody lost a Volkswagen wheel out here.
They lose wheels and hubcaps everywhere out here.
Whoa, whoa. Crazy sand, boy. And I admit to everybody on my YouTube channel, I suck in the sand.
Yeah, me too. Like I can ride like hell on it, just about anything besides sand. So whenever it comes to sand, I am a freaking noob, and I will admit it.
Yeah, I mean, I ain't blaming it on the sand at all. It's my riding ability. I suck in the sand.
Yeah.
Been out there to that California with Kyle from Nelson Rigg. Rode in that sand. My gosh, it was horrible. Rode that Trans Alp, which was a horrible test ride for a new motorcycle in the sand. Golly. Especially for me.
Woo! Man.
You're born and raised riding in this stuff all the time. You get good at it.
Yeah.
Keith does pretty good. That's a crazy thing.
You go up high.
Yeah, I see that. Every time I see you mess up, I go a different line. Okay, guys, we're going to get off here. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch you all in the next video. Right on.